Namaste to everyone attended here and whoever is seeing it. So, in the unfortunate incident, other than losing mother, this boy Teja has been recovering in the hospital. We are, we are very much pleased to know after reaching hospital and speaking to doctors that the boy Teja is recovering, and all the days he has been on ventilator, and ventilator is also being removed and he is breathing himself, and doctors are very positive about his recovery. I wish that the boy very soon will come and walk along with us in the society is our belief and prayer. Other than this, to support the family and the boy, and after coming out for his future, all this we thought we should support him with an amount of 2 crores of rupees. That is, when it goes to details, it is 1 crore given by Mr. Allu Arjun and 50 lakhs are given by Maitri Movie Makers, the producers, and 50 lakhs given by our director Sukumar, and all put together around 2 crores being handed over to Dilraju Garu, the FDC chairman Dilraju Garu, and requested him to convey it to the family and advise them rest of the things. So he has taken that duty, and we are thankful to him to be in between that family and ourselves, because I have some legal instructions and not to interact with the family members unless there is a legal clearance from them. So I requested FDC chairman Raju Garu to take this task further. Thank you very much. With the permission, with the legal permission and police permission and government permission, once I visited the boy about probably 10 days back, and by that time he was recovering, but he was on ventilation that time. Rajgar.
Namaskaram.
My colleague Uma Sudhir is with us on the phone line on this. Uma, now, after the initial help, if I'm not mistaken, of 25 lakh rupees, now the family of the actor, also the director and the producer of the movie coming forward with more help as far as the victims are concerned.
Indeed, this is something that has been demanded by everyone, including the government and the director, the producer and the actor coming together and now announcing that they will be together giving the 2 crore rupees to the family of Sri Tej, actually to help Sri Tej and the family recover from this kind of situation that they are in after the tragic death of Revati, the mother of Sri Tej, on the 4th of December, and Sri Tej has been in the ICU at hospital for the last 3 weeks. So now, because there would be legal complications with the family directly being approached by the actor or by the director or by the producer of the film, because the father has been the initial complainant in this case as well. So they have taken legal advice, and subsequently Dil Raju, who is also a very prominent film personality and who is now heading the Film Development Corporation, he had in fact said that the film fraternity is going to stand by the family, and he had asked whoever was wanting to come forward to voluntarily donate, and it is through that route that now Allu Arjun has donated 1 crore rupees, director Sukumar 50 lakh rupees, and Maitri Movies, who are the producers of this film, another 50 lakh rupees, and all three, in fact, have been named as accused in that particular FIR in which Allu Arjun has been charged now and a culpable homicide not amounting to murder and voluntarily causing hurt.
Right, Uma, stay on with me. Let me also bring in Tanushka, our colleague, who's with us at this moment from Hyderabad, where this press conference is indeed taking place. Tanushka, the father, in fact, came out. He also spoke about the condition of the boy. What is the latest as far as the boy is concerned?
Right, exactly. I'm currently at the hospital wherein Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, gave in just the press conference wherein he just said that this 2 crore fund, trust fund is being, put into place for this 8-year-old boy who was injured. This is the room wherein the press conference was ongoing. And what we know is that exactly mentioned earlier as well, the 2 crore rupees fund, trust fund is being put into place for this 8-year-old boy. His condition is improving at this point. Let us see if we can try and talk to Mr. Arvind here. And
I heard the boy is recovering well, and doctors are very satisfied about his recovery. Previously, he was on ventilation. In the last few days, he has come out of ventilation and he is breathing himself. And doctors say that's a very good sign, and he is going to recover fast. And I wish very soon he should be walking along with us. Thank you very much.
All right, so that was Mr. Arvind, Allu Arjun's father, who's announced this 2 crore fund and looking into, of course, the health and for support to this 8-year-old boy who was injured at the stampede at Sandhya Theatre. Back to studio.
Thank you so much for joining us with all those details at this moment. Tanushka reporting from Hyderabad.